Azia Resort and Spa is highly praised by guests. They commend the excellent service provided by the friendly staff. The resort's facilities, especially the pool, are described as great. The food, particularly the buffet and a la carte restaurants, receives positive reviews, with some guests considering it the best they've had. The resort offers extensive evening entertainment for both adults and children, including live shows and music, a teens club, and a kids disco. However, some guests found the pillows uncomfortable and the shower a bit dated. Nevertheless, the pros here far outweigh the cons, making it an excellent choice for a holiday in Paphos.